We're on the driver's side of the car now, so we need to take out the factory intake, so you need to loosen the coolant hose. You're going to want to pull the MAF sensor right here. Again, you can gently lift. There's this little locking tab. You depress on one end. You can also lift very carefully and back that out. Again, don't break that. You'll also want to loosen this clamp here. You back that out to a point where where the pipe is loose, and it is. So our MAF is off. We also have very likely what is a vacuum tube right here. You press and twist, and it's going to give me a little bit of a challenge. Now, the other thing I would recommend right at the moment is when you have an opportunity, try to do this work when the car's cold, because some of these parts are a little warm. So this, you want to squeeze it, and then pull it away, and it'll come off. So our MAF is off. Our what I believe is a vacuum hose is off. There's also a little press clip right here that you press that clip in, and it comes free. And our clamp is loose at this end, so it should just walk its way out. At this point, it's got posts on this side like it did on the passenger side, and this should just come up and walk away from the rest of this. Now, it's a little bit hung up on this side. There we go. I just press the reservoir back a little bit and just gently walk this whole assembly out. All right, so the factory one is out. Now, the other thing that we're going to end up doing as well here is we're going to take the MAF sensor out, just like we did on the other one. We're going to take this out, put it back into the new one in the same orientation, so we want to be real clear about that. So I'm going to take this out, I'll exchange it with the other, and I'll show installing the InGen parts.